What's that, Mira? Nice.
Hi, Ninong Ses.
Hi, Mira.
Darren!
Wow!
Nagbablog ka ba?
Oo nga.
What's that, Mira?
Wow!
Nice. Are you scared?
Wow!
Wow.
Baka mataranta eh.
Hi, Ninong Ses.
Hi, Mira.
Ninong Josa. Tita Pe. Hi, Tita Tart. Ellen.
Ellen Lili.
Hi, Ma. 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 Darren. No, lapit. Say hi. Can you look on her? Okay. She is sleeping. Yeah.
Oh. Mira's looking for you.
Say hi to the vlog. What are you doing, bro?
I'm just relaxing.
Ang ganda. Wow! This is Tita Pesi's phone. I use it eh.
Wow!
Wow!
Oh my God, what's this?
That's my daughter. She's angry.
She's angry. Who's that? Oh, bro. Bro.
That's my son.
Wow!
Hanggang video na. Bye. Punta tayo sa
Wow!
Erin!
Anak, sa oras na yata yan. 7 minutes na. Nagbablog ka ba?
Oo nga.
Nagbablog ka? Okay, hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Go.
Guys, welcome to my channel.
Welcome to Mira.
Welcome to Mira's TV.
Mira TV.
Yay!
Oh, sige, entertain mo sila.
Ay, sorry. Tita Josa, pag naiyak ka, what will happen?
You know what? I live in the slums of Tondo, Manila, and the life there is poor, and it's very sad. Oh, myself to look for the beauty in the beauty of the children. Kriona.
Ha?
Wala.
Mami, si El!
Si L.
Sa luma.
Si L? Sino si L?
Friend ko.
Ah, si Tita L.
Di si Ate El.
Babay ka na.
Ayoko, Ma.
Mag-vlog ka pa?
Mm-mm.
Ha?
I'm gonna get...